Welcome to another videotour.ai tutorial. In this guide, we'll show you how to adapt your property video for social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. The first thing you'll need to do is switch to a vertical format via the Format tab. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok favor vertical videos, so this is crucial for better engagement. If your images are horizontal, don't worry. videotour.ai will automatically crop the center of the image when converting to vertical. You might lose some content from the sides, but the focus will remain on the main part of the frame. You can also experiment with the split screen effect. This allows you to show 3 images at once stacked on top of each other at the beginning and end of the video. Here's an example with and without the split screen. If you don't want the effect, simply toggle it off. To make your video more dynamic and engaging on social media, try disabling smart timing or reducing its value. This will shorten each clip, creating a faster flow, perfect for Instagram Reels and TikTok. Finally, captions are essential for social media videos. You can easily add them by switching Add Caption on. From there, personalize the font, size, or outline by clicking on the Personalize button. You can also edit each caption's text and position individually, or leave the field blank if you don't want a caption on a specific clip. To recap, here are the key steps to adapt your property video for social media. Change to vertical format. Crop horizontal images to focus on the middle. Use the split screen effect for more engagement. Adjust smart timing for a faster flow. Add captions for better reach and accessibility. Now you're ready to create social media-friendly property videos that truly engage your audience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Visit videotour.ai for more tutorials and to start creating your own social media videos today.